skimmer or the bubble, diffuser, so to speak. This is the instruction. Taking a gander at it, as you can see, it's basically a little bit of text. Slight assumption that you should know how to put it together, or should be able to feel it out. But they actually, if you read through it, it gives you a slight example or a little bit of a push ahead on how to put it together. But this picture right here is probably more essential for you. Okay. These parts, you have your muffler, you have your 3 O-rings, you have your filters for the return side to remove air bubbles, and you have your actual valve, if you want to call it, for the output. As you can see, it has open and close, some nice little seals and gaskets around the side. Okay. What I'm going to do now, tape this box and make things a little bit easier. Okay, put the book down there. Put all the parts down here. Take off the first layer. Now for the main parts. You have your collection cup. Very nice size. Gasket. Drain hole. Nice breathe holes in the front. With the Octupus logo. Not too bad. I actually like the design after building the one that I've built. It seems nice to see something constructed pretty decent. Pump. It's like a very hardy pump. As you can see, very easy to disassemble. Gasket, silicone, like silicone gaskets. Nice pinwheel design. Pinwheels look like they're with plastic. Very strong motor. Very strong motor. Pinwheel is pretty stiff when you turn it. Okay, take my time, put this back in so I don't damage the shaft. Back in there. Check the center to see that it's in position. Put this back on. This I'm going to need to leave off anyway for assembly. So, the unit itself, pretty good construction. Nice construction, actually. I like its finish pretty good. The only part that seems like it's adjustable for distance, it seems like it's just this the intake. Little adjustment screws so you can tighten onto the tank. And the little bubble, if you will, I should say, in the instructions it's called an aid to make it so that it creates more bubbles or make the bubbles more uniform. Okay, nice little top, finish very good. And a nice little, you feel it. It's a nice smooth transition from the large size to the coning neck, so to speak. Very good construction. All right, now for assembly. Something this on first, so that I won't have to work and tweak this while I'm trying to put it up to the motor. To the skimmer itself. So like there's 3 gaskets that have to be used. Two of the same size and 1 small. Okay, the big ones you just put inside this little seat here. Okay, same thing on the bottom of the skimmer. There's like a little position where it can be seated. Okay, and on the inside of this part of the pump that goes towards the motor, there's also a little area where you can put one in here also. Okay, here's the motor. Start tightening this thing up. Nice hand tightening. Take the unit, line it up, make sure the O-rings are still in position after you put them there. Start tightening up each side just to get it started. Okay, hand tight. Okay. The hose goes through a little slot on the inside of the intake hose, and it also goes through another slot on the side of the skimmer body. It's done. The muffler plugs into one side of it here. Not sure which side it's supposed to go in, because one side has a vent and the other side doesn't. Now if it was a real muffler, I would think that you would put the sound inside the one without the tube, and then inside, once it baffles itself, it goes into the little tube. So we'll see which way works better on the next video. Alright, the next step is for the surface skimmer and the return. Okay, on the return, you see you have a little tube here. You just basically slide these over this edge, and this part right here just goes over the pipe section. Basically, as the water returns, shoots in here and goes back out, it has to go through all 3 of these foam pieces in order to return to the tank. Slide this in place. Might be a little easier, because this can slide up and down the tube. Put the tube in first, then do it. Place, and you can adjust how high this is actually transitioning back into your tank just by moving this up and down. Then the intake, same exact thing. You can slide it up or down to dictate what level you want it to skim. And flip it up. And you have the intake tube, which goes in here, and as you can see, there's like a little dot right on the tip, right where it says open. That dot will not go past this area, and you can see from the inside when you get the unit that it has like a little area where it stops. Just slide this in, and as you can see, you can't go no further. And here's your open and close. Put the little skimmer cup on the top, and that's it. Skimmer's assembled. Pretty large unit. As you can see what it looks like next to this home remote from Fios. Pretty large unit. Any other questions, just email me or make comments on the site itself. Alright, bye.